Most luxurious items that appreciate in value. In a world where luxury and investment converge, certain items transcend their aesthetic allure to become coveted assets that appreciate value over time. These are not just items of opulence, but also vehicles of smart investment strategies. From rare timepieces to collectible automobiles, art, and beyond, the luxury market offers a realm where elegance meets financial growth. 10. Fine wine and spirits, savoring value in every sip. In the world of luxurious investments, few assets blend indulgence and financial appreciation, quite like fine wines and spirits. Beyond their ability to please the palate, these libations have emerged as tangible assets that gain value over time. This convergence of sensory pleasure and investment potential makes them a unique facet of the luxury market. Wine, in particular, has a rich history of being collected and cherished. Certain vintages gain recognition for their exceptional qualities, limited production, and storied provenance. These factors contribute to the appreciation in value over the years, as the supply dwindles and the demand from collectors and enthusiasts persists. 9. Designer handbags, a fusion of fashion and finance. Designer handbags have transcended their utilitarian origins to become powerful symbols of style, luxury, and social status. In recent years, these fashion accessories have also made their mark as investments that appreciate value, creating a harmonious blend of fashion and finance that intrigues collectors and enthusiasts alike. The world's most coveted designer brands, such as Hermes, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton, produce handbags that are renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship, timeless design, and exclusivity. Limited edition releases and iconic designs often fetch premium prices in the resale market due to their rarity and desirability. 8. Rare coins, minting wealth through numismatics. Rare coins, often referred to as numismatic treasures, occupy a distinctive place in the realm of luxury investments. These small metallic artifacts bridge history, art, and finance, appealing to collectors who are drawn to the stories they carry and the potential for significant appreciation over time. Numismatics, the study and collection of coins, involves understanding the historical context, rarity, condition, and demand for specific coins. Some coins gain prominence due to their historical significance, limited mintage, or unique features. These attributes contribute to their desirability among collectors and investors, leading to increased market value. 7. Collectible art, masterpieces of aesthetic and investment value. Collectible art, whether in the form of paintings, sculptures, or other artistic mediums, holds a revered place in the world of luxury investments. These pieces are not just visually captivating, they also represent a potential for significant appreciation in value, making them a sought-after asset class for both art connoisseurs and savvy investors. The value of collectible art is driven by factors such as the artist's reputation, historical significance, rarity of the piece, and demand within the art market. Acquiring works by renowned artists, especially those whose careers have withstood the test of time, can yield substantial returns over the years. 6. Classic and collectible automobiles, driving value and style. Classic and collectible automobiles embody a blend of mechanical artistry and historical significance, making them prized possessions for enthusiasts and investors alike. These iconic vehicles not only turn heads on the road, but also have the potential to accelerate in value over time, solidifying their status as luxury investments. Collectible automobiles encompass a wide range of vehicles, from vintage sports cars to limited edition luxury models. The value of these vehicles is often influenced by factors such as rarity, historical importance, brand reputation, and the current state of the automobile market. Iconic models from legendary manufacturers like Ferrari, Porsche, and Aston Martin tend to command premium prices due to their desirability and pedigree. 5. Rare jewelry and gemstones, timeless treasures of value. Rare jewelry and exquisite gemstones are among the most enduring symbols of luxury and beauty. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these treasures hold a special place in the world of appreciating assets. The allure of owning a piece adorned with rare and precious gems transcends mere ornamentation, as these items can appreciate in value significantly over time. The value of rare jewelry and gemstones is often determined by factors such as the quality, rarity, size, and provenance of the stones. Precious gemstones like diamonds, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires are particularly sought after for their beauty and investment potential. The four C's, color, clarity, cut, and carat weight, play a crucial role in determining the value of diamonds. while characteristics like color intensity and origin impact the desirability of colored gemstones. 4. Vintage watches, timekeeping elegance and investment precision. Vintage watches occupy a distinguished place among the most luxurious items that appreciate in value. These timepieces blend exquisite craftsmanship, engineering precision, and historical significance, making them sought-after assets for collectors and investors who are captivated by horological history. Vintage watches encompass a wide range of styles, brands, and complications, each offering a glimpse into the era in which they were created. Iconic brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega have produced timepieces that not only withstand the test of time but also appreciate significantly in value. Certain models, limited editions, and historically significant watches tend to command premium prices due to their rarity and desirability. One of the key drivers of appreciation in the vintage watch market is the scarcity of well-preserved and authentic pieces. Three, rare books and manuscripts, literary artifacts of appreciation. Rare books and manuscripts hold a unique place in the realm of appreciating assets. These literary artifacts offer a glimpse into history, culture, and human thought, making them treasures that are sought after by collectors, scholars, and investors alike. The value of rare books and manuscripts is often determined by factors such as their historical significance, authorship, edition, condition, and provenance. First editions of renowned literary works, manuscripts by celebrated authors, and texts with unique annotations or inscriptions are particularly prized. The scarcity of these items and their cultural impact contribute to their appreciation potential. Certain genres, such as early printed books, illuminated manuscripts, and autographed volumes, often command premium prices in the rare book market. 2. Limited edition luxury fashion, haute couture investments. Limited edition luxury fashion, particularly haute couture pieces, occupies a prominent position in the world of appreciating assets. These wearable works of art not only exude elegance and style, but also have the potential to appreciate in value due to their rarity, craftsmanship, and brand prestige. High-end fashion houses like Chanel, Dior, and Gucci often produce limited edition collections that feature exceptional designs, meticulous detailing, and exclusivity. These pieces are created by master artisans and are often available in limited quantities, creating a sense of scarcity that drives demand and market value. Certain iconic pieces, such as limited edition handbags, dresses, and accessories, can be appreciated significantly over time. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.